Okay everyone, so in this video we're gonna learn how to upload a video on Google Drive in 2021. Alright, so to do this, just log into your Google Drive account. After that, we're just gonna create a folder to have our videos organized. So I'm just gonna go up to the left sidebar and I'm gonna click on this one, new button. I'm gonna click on folder and I'm just gonna name this my videos. But you can name this to whatever you like. After that, click on the blue button, create. Okay, so now we see that we have folders right here. Just click into the folder. And right now we can see that this one is empty. We have two options. We can drop files right here. So if you just minimize your window, you can drop videos right here. You can also go to this button, new. So make sure that you are in your videos folder. And after that, just click on new and click on file upload. This will open up your desktop files. So I'm just gonna choose video. I'm gonna click on this video. And after that, I'm gonna go and click on open. So now Google Drive will upload this video to your Google Drive account, and this will end up in your new folder. So when the video is up, you will have this one upload complete. And now we can see that we have the video right here. You can just click on the video. And now we can see that Google Drive is still processing this video. Please check back later. I'm just gonna go back. Okay, so I have waited a while, 3 minutes. I'm gonna click on the video one more time. And now we can play the video. Alright, so I'm just gonna go back. And if you right click on the video, you have some options. You can share this video and so on. Alright, so I will leave a Google Drive playlist in the description on things you can do on Google Drive. So comment below if this worked out for you. Also, subscribe for more of these videos. Have an awesome day. Take care and bye.